Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Coinbase account. So first of all, you just have to open your browser and you have to come on this website coinbase.com/sign up, and then as you can see, you have to enter your first name or your last name, and then you have to enter your email address, and lastly you have to enter your password. So you have to choose strong password, like you have to choose strong words on your password. So let me choose my password here, and as you can see I have set the password, and as you can see here it's excellent. So you have to choose the strong password when it says excellent, and then you have to check this: I certify that I am 18 years of age or older and agree to user agreement and privacy and policy. After doing all these things, you just have to tap on this create account, and after tapping on this create account, Coinbase will send you an email. You just have to verify this email, and after verifying the email, your Coinbase account will be created. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.